So on there I've got my 2 labels. This is a stud wall, so those labels can actually push up with the cable numbers, so there's no point cutting them off. I'm going to come about a tape switch past it, strip it with the ergo strip, give it a little snap back, get the blade, run it down it. We're just going to take that off just lovely. And same on that one, little twist, strip it down there. Just got that to there. I get me flush cuts, take the draw tape out, take the draw tape out, keep that drain, foil off. So I've got those there. Get my drain wire out the middle. And mix that together. Drain wires together, right there. Give those a little twist. I can cut them off here. So you can guess, red and black. Red and black. So basically, I take off more than I need. I'm taking off about 15 mil. Millimetre tats. So like so, good twist. Annoyingly, when they're in a double ferrule, they don't fit in the terminals. So I'm giving all them a nice tight twist together. Just chop them down for the terminals, which is about 8 mil. I'm going to get a Control4 keypad. I'm going to leave the actual keypad in the box for now. I'm just after the connector, which is here. So then these keypads actually have the stickers on them. Ground, data positive, data negative, data positive. So ground is black. And then data negative, which is going to be blue. Black and blue, white, red. There we go, checking all the strands that are going to be touching on there, and then you can just leave it without, with the connectors can just curl back up in the box for now, without putting the keypads on. Just keep all keypads in the box, because that means do that, test the link, make sure there's no shorts, so when you get to the panel, test. Same as you would bell another cable out, just on bell, start with red, test the other 3, start blue, test the other 3, check between and check there's no shorts. When you've done that, just stick your keypads on. The keypads go on, No buttons on these yet, but the keypads go on. Put that onto there, connector, bring it into the box, put that on there, 2 plate screws. When you're also doing that, make sure your plate screw's not gonna hit anything before you screw it back.